at your lips. You look very beautiful. Did you have to wear lipstick today? No, very pretty. Turn around, show me.
I at kinder.
You are.
Today.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am just taking you along with me as I'm working for myself basically today. I've only got really one job booked in though, so it's my quiet day today. And yeah, then I'm just going to come back here. I have just going to set up myself for the month and sort of close off last month. I have got a job booked in tomorrow, like a bigger job, so I'm going to go and pick up a few things from there for that job, and I'll do a little haul for you of what I get. And then I've got a little project for Talia that I want to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this one with her or if I'm going to do it excuse my voice, it's getting croaky, or if I'm going to do it with her later on. I'll just see how it goes anyway. So that is pretty much what I'm getting up to today, I think. I don't know, I sort of just wing it and see how I go. But yeah, I'm going to just, usually what I do is I try and get my cleaning jobs out of the way, and then I can have the rest of my day free to do what I want to do. So I'm going to take you with me. I don't know if I'll be able to take you into the factory though, because like confidentiality and all that sort of thing. But I'll ask them if I can take little snippets, and if they let me, then I'll put in the video. I might even put a reel out on Instagram as well if they let me. So yes, if you see it, you see it. If you don't, you know why. It's because I didn't get permission. But anyway, so guys, let's jump into this video and let's get this day started. Okay guys, I am glad to say I am finally home. It's like 1:45, so I probably finished that job just before 12 o'clock. I quickly raced home. I put the cleaning cloths straight into the washing machine and went to the toilet. Then I headed straight out. So I really have not stopped, and then I've done my shopping of what I needed to do, and I haven't went anywhere else. I've just went where I've needed to go to. So I'm finally home. Anyway, I'm going to quickly share with you a little haul of what I bought and like my little favorite cleaning products. I was thinking I might even do like a little series even on like Instagram, where each week or each couple of weeks I might even share my favorite cleaning product. So anyway, enough of me rambling on. I'm just going to quickly show you what I bought. Okay, this one was first up. This is from Supercheap Auto, which was these 25 pack of microfiber cloths. These were, I think, $54. So I'm pretty sure that these are the same as my other ones. That's why I actually went to buy them. And the ones that I do have, so I think I bought them in a 2 or 3 pack, are amazing. Really nice, thick, and they're big ones. So you can see 700 by 400. So I highly recommend their big ones, well, the ones that they had in the 2 or 3 pack anyway. I'm not sure about these. I can review them later on. As I said, I might do a review on Instagram. I might even do a review video here on YouTube if you guys are interested. The next one I got, which I'm super excited about this, is this extra large microfiber drying towel. Now I'm doing a shower tomorrow and it's massive, and I'm thinking that this would be great to dry the shower with and polish it off when I'm finished. And it is super nice and thick, and this is what I was saying, like they're so plush and thick and I just love them. The other one I got, my super trusty glass cleaning cloths. Next item I got, now this is from the cleaning shop, was the Premi scouring stick. Now this is for the toilet. It says tile cleaner as well. So this is if you've got like hard stuck on wee stains that you really can't scrub off, especially if you've like moved into a rental and stuff and the toilet is disgusting and you just can't get it off. This is a great one, and it was only like $6, so amazing. And then I got just another squeegee for my pack. Then he sold me this thing. He uses on glass and stuff and cleaning. I've never seen one of these before. And I just thought it looked interesting, and it was only a couple of dollars, so I said okay, I'll take it and I'll see how I go with it. He uses it for polishing and cleaning. So this was from Super Cheap Auto for a project. I don't know, I might do that today. And this is what else came today, and I'm very, very excited. Oh, this means, you know what this means, my garage video is going to come out soon. Look at how nice the labels look. Oh, they weren't cheap, I won't lie, but I think it is just so well worth paying the money for something that you're going to have it there permanently with its organization systems. If you do it right, you've decluttered everything and you do it right from the start, you're going to have these here pretty much permanently, so it's worth spending the money on. So anyway, I'm going to now get stuck into having some lunch. I'm starving. I'm going to have some lunch, and then I am going to do a little bit of planning while I'm eating lunch because I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. So I'm cutting it fine. So I've got my to-do list for tomorrow. My diary's all filled in. I've actually time blocked it a little bit. And then I have my this month's calendar. I've got a bit of question mark there because I'm not sure if I'm going to do that video or not. And I have a few Instagram reels that I want to do this month. I don't know if I'll get them done, but I'd have a few that I want to do. Basically, it has been a really tough few months, and I feel like you guys know that, like, I suppose if you've been watching my videos, it's been pretty hard for me with the migraine preventers and that and I've said how it's caused brain fog and like a real lack of concentration and all that sort of thing, and yeah, the memory and all that. So I've actually dealt with the depression side of things now, which yeah, that was one of the side effects, and yeah, I've just been so miserable. So and it's affected my work. My anxiety is just so bad, so I've actually been weaning myself off them. Well, put it this way, last week I ended up with like 3 migraines. The week before I had like 3 migraines, so they're not really doing their job anyway, and they're just making me sick. Anyway, I'm thinking I might be better off. I want to see a specialist. I'm just done with it, and maybe even Botox. Unfortunately, it doesn't get rid of your wrinkles. It's a different kind of Botox, so I don't get the best of both worlds. So I need to. I just thought I'm just going to slow down, and I'm just going to get myself right, so then I can do everything properly. And in this meantime, I can just focus on more on like maybe on social media, more on educating myself as well, so I can be the best I can be when I am ready to take on the world. Anyway, on to the next project for the day. So I am back from the kinder pickup. I'll show you our little project that I have going on. This is our new little plant edition that we got yesterday, and this is for our new current project that I've decided to take on for Talia, which she's not really paying for it, it's me paying for it. At least going to start it up for it. So when we were kids, we used to have chickens, and well, my brother and sister had chickens anyway. And what they'd do is they would collect all the eggs, they would wash the eggs, put them in egg cartons, and then they would put them out the front with a jar, and people would just do the old honesty system, put $2.50 in and take a dozen eggs. And they'd have to feed the chickens every day, and they'd have to clean the pens out, and they'd have to make sure the chickens were in at night time. So I want her to have a responsibility, but I also want her to learn the concept of money. So I was thinking, if I get some plants and she can water them and look after them, and we can then just take some baby clippings and, again, as I said, water them, look after them, and then we can sell them. And then I'll put a little bit of money, say I might put 50% in her bank account, the other 50% will be for her spending, and she can spend it on stickers or whatever the hell she wants to spend on. Most likely it'll be stickers. She'll learn this concept anyway of saving money and spending money and all that sort of thing, and also about earning money as well, because she's going to have to look after these things. So that is what we're going to do today. We're just going to go and pot some plants up and start the process, I suppose. I'm not going to do this one here today, but this one is so pretty. There was one that they had there, it was a rare plant, and it literally had one stem on it, and I was like, one stem for $25. This one was very similar looking, and it was $20 for all this. So I'm not going to cut any stems off it today, but I might let it grow a bit more, and then I'll cut some bits off it, and then I'll start transplanting it. So I love it. It's beautiful. And while we're here, we're going to admire this one. So this is my peace lily that you would have seen me clean it in one of my videos a little while ago. It was sort of like a similar day in a life vlog, and I cleaned up all the leaves. I just chopped off all the dead bits. I don't know if I fertilized it that day, but yeah, this is my hydro plant. So I did share a while ago how to do a hydro plant, and yes, I got a flower this year and I'm so excited. This plant has not flowered in years. That is why I hydro planted it, because I thought, my gosh, I've got nothing to lose, and it was just growing mushrooms. So anyway, we're going to get stuck into the planting and gonna call it a day, I think. Over here, there's a reason why I put them in self-watering pots, because on this side, because I don't tend to water anything over this side. But
he's hydrated.
He's a bit dehydrated, yeah. See,
yeah.
He's usually
got two there.
He usually got a lot more plumper. You can see he's
the dog
wrinkled. He's very dried out. Anyway, hopefully we can save him a bit.
Yeah, because we're watering. No.
Well, we're actually going to divide that up into that one and give him a couple of little plants.
Yeah.
The watering can's a bit heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay! Do you love them?
Yeah.
You did so much work, didn't you?
Hello. It's Sally.
No, he's gone all shy, babe.
Oh, cute.
This has kept her attention away from flowers.
Oh, he's back.
Can you see why? Oh my golly gosh. Or she. Just divine. Yeah. And of course, every time a dog sees a little child excited, like this one, they just get even more excited.
I want a doggy.
If you get a dog, you'll be excited for 5 minutes, and then we'll have to walk it, and it will be no fun anymore. You'll say your legs are tired, and you're gonna pick up all the dog's poo. Exactly. Either am I. So the dog can stay there. I know. He's just coming back. Maybe if you ask nicely, they might let you walk the dog.
Hello, doggy.
Dogs are nice that you can give back. Okay.